Morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. You're watching Tech World YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Starling Bank. So if you guys do not know Starling Bank is the United Kingdom's bank, which is a UK bank. So if you create an account in this bank, you guys are going to get a lot of feature and facility. If you guys want to know about those facilities, you can visit the official website of Starling Bank, know more about it. But this video is on how you guys can log in into it, so let's get into that. But before that, you hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, get notification on so you guys can get notified for future videos. Let's move on, shall we? First step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Starling Bank and resource for Starling Bank. Click on where it says log into online banking. Once you click on log into online banking, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can log in into Starling Bank. Alright. And once you're in this page, basically what you want to do is want to enter the information, like which information it asks you. Just want to click on login. So basically log in into Starling Bank, you need to have the Starling Bank app on your phone. Alright, so basically the only way you guys can access this through phone. Alright, so basically you just download your app on your phone and basically enter an account number over here. Enter your account number over here. You want to click on login with Starling app. It's going to send like a number just stalling out, but before that you need to enter your phone number over here as well. After you enter that, just click on login with Starling app. It's going to send like a QR code or something to your phone and you need to open it through your app. Alright, so that's basically how we guys can log in into Starling Bank app, or like your strolling banks online banking. I hope you guys are able to understand the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.